Hi! Do you have your beloved Jabra Move wireless headphones, but the ear pads are old and worn out? Then today, I'll show you how to replace these damaged pads easily at home, saving a lot of money by not buying new headphones. To do this repair, you'll need replacement ear pad cushions. The link to them is in the video description. Start by removing the old ear pads. Simply pull them off. The ear pads stay attached to the headphones using a small groove where the ear pad edge locks in. The original rubber rings are not needed. The new ear pads hold in place without them. These Jabra Move headphones use ear pads with a 65mm diameter. Take the replacement ear pads, stretch the edge of the pad, and place it over the headphone housing. The goal is to get the ear pad edge into the headphone's housing groove. If the edge doesn't slide in by itself, you can use a narrow tool, like a small stick or spudger, to push the ear pad edge gently into the groove. Then, repeat the same steps for the other ear pad. It's important to make sure the edge sits fully inside the groove. This ensures the ear pads stay tight and won't fall off. Great! Now your headphones look like new again and will bring joy to your ears for years. Good luck!